Okay, it's time to start by animating our first cameras on our first scene. Okay, let's add our camera again. Cinematic Cine Camera Actor. So here we won't use camera create or crane. We use only keyframes. Okay, now it's time to make the sequencer. I'm going to delete this scene from the previous time. We will make a new one from the beginning. Okay, how the sequence. Okay, in the same folder, so it will be small letters. Okay, scene 01. This will be the naming of our scenes. So save. Okay, and it's time to add our camera inside. So here we will have only a camera inside, and I will move it like that. Okay, I will make it here, as I told you, DSLR. I want to be DSLR, and I want here to be our final position of the view of our car. So I will add a keyframe here, for example, to 0.20. I will cut this timeline a bit, and here to the transform menu, we'll add a keyframe to the end first, because here, this is the ready position of our car. So from here, I want to be the end of the car, the end of the animation. So here, I will add all of the keyframes, and now it's time to animate it from the beginning. So I want our car to start something like that, for example. Okay, now location, and I will move it. Okay, this happens because we already have a keyframes here, guys. Okay, what I will do here, I will see from where to move it. Okay, back even more, and now to rotate it, not like that. Okay, to be like that, and I will add the keyframes. Perfect. And let's see. Can see it looks nice. Let's start from the beginning. Perfect, just like in the trailer in the beginning of our course, but here we don't have any focus. So what we have to do here, we have to deal with this manual focus distance here and with the current aperture, guys. So how you can do it? So we want to keep it here to be this focused. So I will place here a keyframe from the beginning, here as well, and here will be without any focus. So I want from here still not to have any focus. So I will click here to be this focused. I will add the keyframes again, and from here to start to fixing the focus. So here will be 22 at the end, and our car will be with a better focus. So you can see we don't have any focus here, and from here start to visualize better without any blur inside the level. So also if you want to decrease or to make here without any blur, you will play with these values here, guys. So for example, I want to be like that, 32, it's okay. But there is a big difference between the values. So I will delete this one here. Okay, still it's blurred. So I want here to start to be better and to the end to be clear. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, at the end it's clear. Here it's starting to be clear. Okay, that's perfect. Let's see now how it looks. Okay, I want to delete the blur earlier. So somewhere from here, just to stop the disfocus. So I will drag this here, for example, and to happen faster. Okay, something like that. That's perfect. And let's click save here. Also, we can add some focal length for some effects here. So the focal length here, I want here the focal length to be something like that. Okay, perfect. And our camera to be closer now to the car. Okay, let's check. Okay, and we have the keyframes already created there. So let's start now to see how it looks. Okay, it looks good. Now let's save it. And this will be our first scene, guys. Okay. In the next video, we will continue with the second scene.